Remove the platform fixing screws, two on each side. Install cooling duct. Install the table, align the screw hole position. Install screws to fix the table. Install acceleration sensor. Install the sensor connection line. Install compressed air pipe and connect air source. Connect the main power cord. Connect the cooling fan power cord. Connect the air control power cord. Connect the control power cord of the platform. On the power switch. Turn on the machine power switch. Begin. Start the computer. Turn the gain knob to the right to the maximum, then turn it back a bit to the left. This operation can protect the machine. Turn on the air source controller automatically center the controller. Check and adjust the position of the platform so that its arrow is aligned with the scale. Pull up the knob gently, rotate it to the right, the platform will rise. Turn on the switch of the wireless mouse. The test is in progress and the machine is running well. After the test, turn off the machine, turn the fan knob to the left. Exit the software, turn off the computer. Click the button to close it. Wait 10 minutes and turn off the power of the machine. Wait for the fan to run for 10 minutes to completely cool down the platform.